Okay, here is the unit running, just to let you hear it a little bit. As far as the echo goes, or the delay, it's not running over the heads the way it should, but you can hear the slapbacks, the quadruple slapback on there. So it's not hitting the heads right, and probably the tape not being the correct tape is affecting that a great deal too. So other than that, I think the unit will be fine. I never realized the popularity of these till I started looking, and apparently people are buying these sight unseen, working or not, for a good bit of money. So anyway, wanted you to see how this one's performing, wanted you to be happy with it, and it probably needs going through a little bit after sitting for 25-30 years, and if anything needs replaced, tape head or anything, these are still pretty low tech, where you could probably put a record head on there or whatever, and it wouldn't be a big deal. Don't think it needs that, but that being said, they still are pretty low tech if they do need service. So all in all, though, great little units, and I really hate to part with it, but things being as they are, sometimes the needs outweigh the desires. So anyway, here it is, and hope it's going to work for you. Thanks.